In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Sheets with Looker Studio to create dynamic and interactive data dashboards. Visualizing your data can immensely improve the way you analyze and present your information, making it more engaging and understandable. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to connect your Google Sheets to Looker Studio, and we're going to do this using the native method. Begin by signing into Looker Studio with your existing Google account credentials. Once you've logged in, look for the Create button. Clicking this will present you with the option to create a new data source. Choose this, and from the list of potential connectors, select the Google Sheets connector. At this point, you'll need to authenticate access by granting permissions so Looker Studio can connect to your spreadsheet. After authentication, you'll choose the specific spreadsheet and worksheet that you'd like to visualize. Click on Connect. This will link Looker Studio with your selected data source. Now, it's time to review your data field types. Take a careful look at whether they're set as text, numbers, or dates, and make adjustments as necessary to ensure accuracy in your data representation. Once everything looks good, hit the Create Report button, and you are ready to start building your dashboard. Now that you have connected your data source, let's transform that raw data into a captivating report. A crucial first step is ensuring that your Google Sheets data is clean and well organized. Make sure it includes headers, has proper formatting, and separates different types of data into distinct tabs for clarity. With that done, either start a fresh report in Looker Studio or open an existing one you'd like to modify. You can now use the toolbar to add various visual elements such as tables, scorecards, or charts like bar and pie charts by dragging them straight onto your canvas. On the right-hand panel, you can select your dimensions such as region and metrics like sessions to define the structure of your data and the type of visualization you wish to create. Customization is key to making sure your reports look exactly how you want them to. Consider tailoring the appearance of your dashboard by adjusting fonts, colors, layout, and even where the legend is placed to ensure consistency with your brand. Finally, make your dashboard interactive by adding features such as date range filters and drop-down controls, which will allow users to dynamically explore different portions of the data. These enhancements not only make your dashboards more intuitive, but also empower viewers to interact with the information in meaningful ways. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently harness the power of Looker Studio and Google Sheets to transform your data into visually engaging dashboards. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to seeing how you bring your data to life.